Got blizzard here in Kansas City, baby. It's been snowing like this since 5 a.m. Yes, I know. We already got 9.5 inches or 10 inches now. And it's supposed to do this till 3 a.m. See how well we can see it. Non-stop today.
This is one of the most competitive MVP races, really, in recent NFL memory. Lamar Jackson, Josh Allen, we just consider what Saquon Barkley did to transform that Eagles offense this year. Joe Burrow playing down the stretch of the season, but it looks like Cincinnati's going to be on the outside looking in. But Dina, you are one of 50 people that actually
crazy.
Put you on the spot.
Wow. You can barely see outside. We're about to be trapped for a few days. This is over in Wyandotte County, Turner area of Kansas City, Kansas. Started snowing here about 5 a.m. Started icing probably about 8 a.m. yesterday. We got about 1 inch of ice on the ground and already 10 inches of snow on top of that ice. Any of you guys out there driving, be safe, be careful. It's slick as hell. It's wrecks all over the place. Over off 103rd Street and I-35. And it's backed up for like 2 miles. Yep. Got the game going. Perfect day to watch the games. Well, you guys have fun watching this snow. I'll be back in a bit.
What a relationship, what a bond that has been between those two men. Hoping to finish some unfinished business with the NFL playoffs just around the corner. Check-in time is 3. It's 2:55.
Damn, it's coming down. Some big snowflakes too.
This isn't a swamp. No game, no fun.
Meanwhile, at a Virgo, when other vacation rentals make you share your turf with a host, drivers can have all to yourself.
Touches of black. They say a lot without having to say much. Jets and potentially some bonus coverage. We're going between Atlanta and Carolina. We will get you to Atlanta. What that score will be with the Panthers up 7. Again, Atlanta needing a win to stay alive in the NFC South. Joey sliding on to attempt a 50-yarder here. The kick has plenty of leg, and it is good. And the Patriots lead is 7 to a mixture of cheers and boos in Foxborough. I think even that youngster knows what's the deal, knows what's at stake for the Patriots. Well, we at CBS Sports want to remember one of our beloved colleagues and friends.
We haven't gotten this snow in Kansas City since what? I can't even remember the last time we got this much snow. It used to snow like this all the time when I was a kid. Global warming, whatever's going on with this world, got the climate all screwed up.
So 7-point game with 1:55 left.
Do you want to build a snowman?
And we told you what's at stake.
I want to build a snowman.
To their number 2 seed in the AFC.
Snow is too soft too light to build a snowman right now. What a driveway! I just shoveled it an hour and a half ago. I went out and measured it about 30 minutes ago after an hour after I shoveled it, and it already had a half-inch back on there. That's with ice melt on it too. It's crazy. And probably 2 or 3 inches in the driveway already within an hour and a half. That's nuts. 30 minutes ago, no, it was about 45 minutes ago, I measured the middle of the yard. We were at 9.5 inches. I'm sure we got a couple more inches by now. At least. Crazy. I like it. It's pretty.
So the Browns, the Titans, and the Giants all have 14 losses. Again, New England can't fall below 4th overall in the draft.
Well, everybody stay safe. I'm out.
How do you think they feel about it?